Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you WhipMats review. So you might be wondering, what is WhipMats? Now, WhipMats here is a UK-based brand making custom-fit car floor mats built with diamond quilted stitching. Now, they're made using precision laser cutting technology to match the car's specific make and model, rather than being a generic one-size mat. Now, construction is multi-layered, so a top layer of vegan PU Fox leather, a memory foam middle for comfort, and a polypropylene resin layer for durability, and a non-slip base layer to help keep the mat in place. Now, the mats have raised edges and deep channels designed to trap water, mud, and spills, keeping the vehicle's original carpet protected underneath. Now, they're marketed as waterproof, stain-resistant, and suited to withstand winter conditions like snow, ice, and road salt. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, in this case, you just need to remove your factory or existing mats first, then place the new mats in your vehicle, starting from the driver's side, identifiable by the heel grip pattern on that mat. No tools are needed here, so the fit is designed to drop straight in. Now, for cleaning, the website here recommends simply wiping the mats down with a damp cloth or rinsing with water. Cleaning, scrubbing generally isn't necessary here. Now, on the pricing side, a standard custom car floor mat set is listed at around £84.95 regular price, discounted to around like £59.95. Now, with a double layer no logo version starting around like £49.95, matching custom boot or for trunk mats are listed at £74.95 regular, discounted at £59.95. Other styles like honeycomb or galaxy designs are basically are priced similarly in that range. Now, the site notes that free shipping and purchases may be structured as installment style payments at checkout, so it's worth reviewing the payment terms shown in your cart before completing any kind of order. But that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.